Alright, this is a quadcopter from LBLA. It's all plastic, single cell LiPo, Wi-Fi camera. Landing gear is plastic. You should screw it in. I haven't done it for this case. It has a dedicated on-off. You do get this transmitter, flip, return home, or headless mode, depending on whether it's short or long press. Video button, short press is for picture, long press for video. Take off land, speed mode changes, emergency stop. So I'm going to turn on transmitter. I'm going to set the quad down. Alright, there we go. Let's just ease it around in speed mode 1. Camera quality is not the greatest. It definitely has a lot of drift to it. These are brush motors. You have a nice white light in the front for orientation. However, that white light's probably going to mess with the camera in darkness. Stop their video. Oh, low battery. Nope, headless mode. Nah.